I had the great pleasure today of spending some time with Lincoln County Schools. And one of the activities we did to provide some support and inspiration around building community and building a sense of belonging with students. We put everyone through an activity using Flipgrid called Guess Who. And it's just like the game, just like the old game Guess Who, except you use Flipgrid to generate your videos and disguise yourself using the stickers and the filters. And then we shared two truths and one lie about ourselves. And then we had the opportunity then to go in and view the videos and then offer responses trying to guess who those individuals are. Now this all occurred virtually, so I did things slightly different than we might if we weren't meeting in a virtual meeting. But nonetheless, this was a really cool activity. I want you to see some of the things that the teachers created. Now, you see some of them input their names at the end of their Flipgrid submission. It asked for your name, and I don't think they realized that it was going to post on the Flipgrid topic their name. So otherwise, mystery teacher is good. Guess who? Mystery LC, ARG, teacher. Yeah, those are great responses, but you can see how this works. Flipgrid kind of lays out the responses that your students would submit, and it gives everyone an opportunity to see the videos, look at the disguises, listen to true truths and one lie, and try to identify who those students are. So it's a pretty cool game. Give them an opportunity to connect with each other. Again, it's all about developing a sense of belonging and contributing to something. And I really liked the how it went with the adults in the group. Just to give you an idea, here's my screen that I might use to disguise myself. You see, I've got some stickers in there. Even if I take off the whiteboard or the blackboard, you can see how I'm sort of disguised. I would provide my video response, give two truths and one lie. You could do any prompts that you might want to do, something all about me, for example, ask some questions along those lines. But this was really cool. It worked really well, and I think it does give kids an opportunity in a safe space to feel like they belong, to connect with their classmates, and that's something we surely need to spend some time on this year.